everything is confirmation for us that we are on the right path, that we are doing the right thing, that we are in the right position in our company and also in Slovenia, that we can position this model to any department inside the company as well to other companies. In a few sentences, 24 Idea is all about bringing startup initiatives inside big corporations. It's a model where every employee is invited and can come, can propose anything, and if idea is valuable enough, if it has enough business sense, it is supported by top management by a time given to those employees that they can work on those ideas.
Group of people who is really working on new ideas on a totally new way. So what is important to do this is to achieve this is definitely that as a management you have to give a freedom to the people to innovate, but it doesn't come on its own. So it has to be a concept.
I have to create space. I have to create willingness to try. I have to allow mistakes with some learning behind. That means that we move quick and we then achieve the desired results.
I like to challenge the challenges that seems to be impossible or hard. This motivates me really. I really like to inspire myself first and then to inspire the others, and when you got this positive feedback from the, let's say, the project, it gives you so much. You have to give a lot of energy, but at the end you get so much back.
It's really hard, but we try very hard every day, and we try to focus on important things and try to bring up the values that we try to communicate to our team and to our external customers. If our people in Trigger Insurance Company don't embrace change, they don't embrace values, then it's really hard to communicate because you're doing it really wrong.
This depends on how our brain has learned to respond to changes. And there we know there are two types of brain automatic reactions. The first one, which we call fixed mindset, you see the change, the brain understands there is a change coming and does nothing. Then the opposite is growth mindset. You see the challenge, you see the change, and the whole brain jumps, starts, passionately goes into the problem to solve it.